If you're looking for an adventure that's hilarious, fast-paced, and packed with unforgettable characters, The Adventure Zone Volume 1, There Be Gerblins by Clint McElroy deserves a spot on your listening list. What begins as a simple fantasy quest quickly turns into a wildly entertaining journey full of magical mysteries, clever humor, unexpected friendships, and chaotic moments that will keep you smiling from beginning to end. You don't need to be a tabletop gaming expert to enjoy it. The story is easy to follow, and every chapter pulls you deeper into a world where anything can happen. What makes this experience truly special is the balance between comedy and heart. One moment you'll be laughing at the group's ridiculous decisions, and the next you'll be genuinely invested in their mission. It's the kind of story that reminds you why fantasy adventures are so much fun. Listening to the audiobook makes the experience even more immersive. The dialogue feels alive, the characters become more memorable, and the pacing keeps the energy high whether you're driving, exercising, or relaxing at home. Instead of simply reading the adventure, you'll feel like you're traveling alongside the heroes. If you enjoy fantasy, role-playing adventures, witty banter, or stories filled with action and humor, this is an audiobook you won't want to miss. Many listeners discover it's far more entertaining than they expected, making it easy to keep listening long after the first chapter. Check the link in the description to start your free audiobook trial and experience this unforgettable adventure for yourself.